Herbal medicine for the treatment of type 2 diabetes, plus a healthy eating plan and daily physical activity, can help you to keep your blood sugar levels under control. Herbs have been used as part of traditional medicine by the vast majority of people on Earth for thousands of years. Herbs can do more than just reduce your blood sugar levels, they are also capable of reducing the damaging effects of type 2 diabetes itself. These are not the only solution that will help you to say goodbye to type 2 diabetes, but why not consider them as a supplement to a healthy eating plan and exercising? Certainly, before you start using some of these herbs, you should consult with your healthcare provider for direction as to which ones will suit your specific situation. Natural herbs commonly used by type 2 diabetics. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the best fighters against high blood sugar levels and is also highly researched by modern science. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce fasting blood sugars by up to 29% and has a measurable impact on making insulin more effective in your body. Cinnamon contains no calories, makes insulin more effective, and helps food to taste good. Why not use it liberally? Bitter melon. Bitter melon is a cucumber-like plant that grows in Asia, Africa, and South America. From a scientific investigation, it has been shown to have the ability to lower blood sugar levels. 15 grams of an extract from bitter melon produced a 54% drop in after-meal blood sugar levels. So it should be taken with caution in order to avoid hypoglycemia. Gymnema Sylvestre. Gymnema Sylvestre is a plant native to tropical regions of India and has been used extensively to treat both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. This herb works in several areas to improve diabetes. It has been shown to slow the absorption of sugar in the gastrointestinal tract and to also have revitalizing effects on the pancreas. Gymnema Sylvestre is one of the most powerful herbs for improving blood sugar control. So you will need to closely monitor your blood sugar levels and discuss what you are doing with your healthcare provider. Ginseng. Ginseng is one of the world's oldest herbs. It is almost a cure-it-all. It works on so many different aspects of bodily processes. If a person has high blood pressure, then ginseng will often help lower it. If the blood pressure is too low, ginseng will often help raise it to a normal level. It appears to have the ability to correct the body's processes whichever way they need to go.